Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks a deal: price. The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. But hey, it's FAA compliant, so you can fly without getting a ticket from the drone police. On the other hand, the V4 Mini is a steal at just $89. You can buy 3 of these and still have enough left for a pizza party. But does cheaper mean better? We'll find out! Now, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's cat in ultra-high definition as it steals your barbecue chicken. Meanwhile, the V4 Mini sports a 1080p camera. It's decent, but let's just say you won't be the next Spielberg with it. Yet, it also features a 90 degrees adjustable angle, so you can still catch that cat just in slightly lower definition. Let's keep it in the air. The Ruko U11S flaunts an impressive 40 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film an entire documentary about your backyard. The V4 Mini gives you 26 minutes. Not too shabby, but it might leave you hanging right when you're about to get that perfect shot. Still, it's enough time to annoy your dog multiple times. Next, ease of use. The Ruko U11S is beginner-friendly with 1 key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. No more fumbling with batteries like a caveman trying to start a fire. The V4 Mini is also user-friendly with 1 key takeoff landing, headless mode, and 3 speed adjustments. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Perfect for beginners or kids who think they're Maverick from Top Gun. Finally, portability. The Ruko U11S folds down to the size of your mobile phone, making it a great travel companion. You can take it anywhere: beach, mountains, or even your bathroom if you're into that. The V4 Mini is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's super drop resistant, so it can survive your clumsy moments. Perfect for indoor games or outdoor adventures where you pretend to be a spy. The Ruko U11S is often praised for its excellent camera quality, long flight time, and user-friendly features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. However, the durability of the remote control mobile phone mount can be a concern. On the other hand, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners and kids, despite some concerns about its build quality and camera performance. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S is a bit pricier but offers a lot of bang for your buck with its 4K camera and extended flight time. The V4 Mini, on the other hand, is a budget-friendly option that's great for beginners and kids. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on whether you want to capture your life in stunning 4K or just have some fun without breaking the bank. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the crown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.